back to another Broski Boys video. So, we're back from North Carolina. That's Blake. You've seen him in a couple of our other videos. But I want to give a huge shout out to my grandma and grandpa who gave us that quad to borrow. Thank you so much. It's going to be in a couple more videos. We have it until April or May. But yeah, me and Ethan, Ethan, you want to make a video of just some drifts?
Yeah.
Low T. All right, we're going to take some drift shots, go to our other video, and
don't forget to subscribe to Broski Boys too. I'll add them to the description.
And I'll see y'all in the next video.